Hey there. So I need to like gather my mind around information that is out there and organize and keep it in my head because it's a lot of information and घर में सब कुछ organized है तो the information needs to be organized and kept in my head. Okay, so if it comes to truth, mathematics is closest to truth. Okay, because there's this thing in mathematics, BODMAS. Okay, so if you follow, like if you want to solve an equation, पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करोगे, ऑर्डर सॉल्व करोगे, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, like this if you will solve the equation तो जो आंसर आएगा वो करेक्ट आएगा. ओके, सो वी आर इन द 3D मैट्रिक्स सिम्युलेशन. ठीक है, this place is like coded, so basic complex mathematics works here as well. Okay, so mathematics is closest to the truth. When it comes to like religion and war, it's intertwined. Okay, तो रिलीजन वाइज मैथमेटिकली सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन इज़ ऑफ क्रिश्चियनिटी, देन इट इज़ इस्लाम, देन इट इज़ नॉन रिलीजियस और सेक्युलर ग्रुप्स, बुद्धिस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ, उसके बाद इट इज़ हिंदुज़म. ओके, सो इफ़ यू बिलीव इट और डज नॉट, इफ़ यू डू नॉट बिलीव इट डज नॉट मैटर, सो मेनी पीपल बिलीव इन इट. मैथमेटिकली उस चीज़ का एक एनर्जेटिक वॉर्टेक्स बनता है, एनर्जेटिक लाइक टोर्नाडो टाइप का बनता है, एंड दैट थिंग एग्जिस्ट और वो हमें डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करता है. ओके, तो क्रिश्चियंस का बेसिक स्टोरी लाइन ऐसा है कि देयर वाज दिस गाय जीसस, वो बेसिकली इनर वर्क करने लग गए. ओके, ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग इनर वर्क एंड ही ट्रैवल्ड लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. ही ऑल्सो केम टू इंडिया and he was a basic carpenter, and then he came back to his place, and then he was teaching all of that to his people. Okay, and then people were all like, there was this person जो कि miracle कर रहे हैं and all of that. तो वहाँ पे जो ऑलरेडी राजा बन के बैठे थे, दे गॉट थ्रेटन कि मतलब ये कौन है. एंड अल्टीमेटली ही वॉज टीचिंग कि बेसिकली आप सब यहाँ पे जो अर्थ रेल्म है वो मास्टर कर सकते हो, यहाँ की एनर्जी खुद मास्टर कर सकते हो, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट वी आर हियर टू डू. तो दैट इज़ वॉट ही वॉज टीचिंग. तो देन द पीपल हु वर रूलिंग, दे वर लाइक इफ़ ही टीचेस ऑल ऑफ दिस, तो फिर हम जो यहाँ पे राजा बन के बैठे हैं, हम ही कौन प्रेज करेगा. ओके, सो दे मेड द रिलीजन आउट ऑफ वॉट ही वॉज टीचिंग. they re-edited the Bible, and basically all of that happened. Churches जो basically आज modern world में है, they are run by these people who were hollow. Okay, तो basically actually body level पे they are hollow, they cannot do the work, and they do things like Epstein files. Okay, and they are doing like sacrifices and all of that, and all of that is coming out. And then Islam also branched out of Christianity, but the thing is that the crowd was again going into this trance of these people only, कि मतलब वो rules follow करना है, ultimately politically जाने लग रहा था. तो there was this guy Muhammad, he went into the cave, he meditated, and when he came out he said Allah. What he meant was all law. He was like, we are going in this trance of being limited again. Okay, the thing is that we are all free, we are all here to do our own work, and when we realize that, आप बैठ करके ऑब्जर्वर मोड पे व्हेन यू डू दैट, यू विल नो दैट सोर्स गॉड कॉन्शियसनेस इज रनिंग थ्रू ऑल ऑफ इट. उसका भी दे मेड अ रिलीजन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ओके, सो दैट थिंग एग्जिस्ट. तो मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन इंडिया में इस तरह से है बेसिकली कि मेन कोर बिलीफ यही है कि गॉड इज़ इन एवरी थिंग एंड एवरी वन, एंड दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग ऑफ the other bigger religion also. So the thing is that this is the land of lovers. Okay, and एक emotional scale है, मैप ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस, उसमें आप बेसिकली आप गिरते चले जाते हो और आपको अपना फ्रीक्वेंसी और वाइब्रेशन उठाना होता है. तो इंडिया में जो मेन स्टोरीज़ है वो राधा कृष्ण की है, उसके बाद रामायण है और महाभारत है. तो ये इमोशनल स्केल में नीचे किस तरह से हम गिर गए, ये मेन स्टोरीज़ है, और ये एक एनर्जेटिक वॉर्टेक्स बनाती है, मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन बनाती है, जिसमें ऑल ऑफ अस फेल. ओके, सो बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंड, so when it was Radha Krishna, Radha was the energetic leader. मतलब she was very innocent and childlike. And then what she used to do was कि surrounding में जितना भी negative energy रहता था, she would actually transmute all of that into good energy. And then that's why it was like that. It was her energetic duty. At the same time, वो अपना खुद का ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस भी इन्जॉय करने के लिए वहाँ पे थी. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट पीपल यूज टू गेट जेलस ऑफ हर. तो वो लोग नंबर में आते थे, एंड देन उनके प्राइवेसी को इन्फ्रिंज करते थे. ओके, एंड देन दे वुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग दैट ओ शी इज़ गेटिंग जेलस दिस एंड दैट. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट दे आर लिटरली गेटिंग इन टू हर प्राइवेट स्पेस. ओके, एंड दे वर जेलस ऑफ हर. तो वो नंबर्स में आकर के जो जेलसी फील करते थे उसके तरफ, they used to throw that mathematically. It was like them in numbers equals to opposite side में राधा अकेले, and throw all of the jealousy onto her, that if she feels all of that, then it's like they will be all be free. Like they did not want to do their own work and face their own emotions, but they wanted to throw it and blame it on Radha. So that was the thing. And then Ramayana is the story of ghar vapsi, matlab ke to do the work within, and ghar is your heart, so coming back to your heart. That is the story of Ramayana. Obviously Lord Rama, he fought Ravan, and then the battle was won, and then he came back to home, which is your heart frequency. But the thing is, again, the energetic leader was the women, Sita. She had to do the energetic transmutation, and that is everything. I'm telling you, even more than the wars and battles, energetic transmutation is everything. So her character was put into question because she was actually high in character. So mathematically, LHS equals to RHS in the surroundings. See, it's a matter of between the husband and the wife. Like it was between Lord Rama and Sita to sort it out. Okay, वो उनका private conversation था. It was not for people to be like that, oh, her character is in question. So then she had to go through Agni test, which means like she had to like alchemize from within, and then show that yeah, she's pure in character. The thing is, she was already pure in character, but mathematically there were in the surrounding, there were people who were actually low in character, and they did not want to do their work. So what they wanted to do was that they were low in character, so they wanted to blame it on to her, who they already know that she is very good in character. Okay, so they blamed it onto her so that she can do the energetic transmutation, and it's a very difficult work to do, to master all of that. She did all of that, and they all just put it onto her. So then they all felt light, and it was a homecoming for everyone. But that's just an illusion. You have to do your own work. You do not at the cost of putting the women on a line, like putting all blame onto her and then saying that we are all free. No, you have to do your inner work so that you can be free within your own self. So yeah, again, so Mahabharata is the battle itself. There were two teams, Pandavas and Kauravas. Okay, and energetic leader was again Draupadi, the women. The thing is that they were in this court where this gameplay was happening, and at last they literally put Draupadi on stake, and then she was very angry. She was like, how can you do that? I am your wife. So then the thing was, in her subconscious, in her head, the message was that no one is going to protect you. So then she was angry, and she was also in fear, and then so she channeled divine god intelligence like a supercomputer she was, and imagine this white light literally flowing through her, and then she protected herself. And then when this guy who was trying to take her sari off, he looked like a fool. Everybody in the court, they looked like a fool because they had very shadowy aspects within themselves. Okay, and so whatever shadow aspects they have within themselves, they literally projected onto her, like in whatever light, all of that was visible on that light, whatever these people were. So they didn't want to take the responsibility. They did not like how they were looking like. So then they, again in the story, they say that Draupadi was humiliated. In truth, she protected herself when she, channeled the god light. She protected herself. They all literally hid themselves in that light, and they said that the blame should be on her because obviously LHS equals to RHS. These people were in numbers, but they literally did not protect her. Equals to when she protected her, then they all blamed it onto her that, oh, she's getting humiliated. But in fact, they were all in shame, literally, and they did not want to accept it about themselves. But the truth is that they should have accepted it. Like, do your own work. Don't put it on the women who is energetically fertile and potent. That's the सो ऑल ऑफ दिस टू से कि मैथमेटिकली जब ये मेन इवेंट्स हुए ना, तो हम कॉन्शियसनेस के स्केल में ही नीचे गिर गए. द्रौपदी वाले केस में तो शेम पे ही आ गए थे हम सब. एंड देन आज भी सोशली देयर इज एक्चुअली पीपल कम इन ग्रुप एंड दे ट्राई टू मैथमेटिकली कम अगेंस्ट इक्वल्स टू वन पर्सन जो कि एनर्जेटिकली सबसे ज़्यादा पोटेंट होगा एक्चुअली में, जिसके जिसमें इंटेग्रिटी होगी, कैरेक्टर होगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट, जो टैलेंटेड होंगे. people will get jealous of that kind of person, and so these people, they're gonna come together and they will make a story and a narrative ki, oh, it is this person who is jealous and who is like low in character, or who is god knows what, or like isko humiliate karna chahiye and all of that. They still do that, okay. एंड जस्ट सो इस पूरे इवेंट से बुरा महसूस नहीं हो, तो एक वॉर क्रिएट करेंगे, तो आपकी गवर्नमेंट, पीपल हु वर कंट्रोलिंग दिस होल थिंग, दे विल गिव यू पर्पस, दे विल बी लाइक ओके ये ग्रुप 1 है, ये ग्रुप 2 है, और आपको लड़ना है, ताकि आपको एक सेंस ऑफ पर्पस फील हो। फिजिकल लड़ाई क्या करना है, मतलब डू द एनर्जेटिक ट्रांसम्यूटेशन ना, दैट इज़ द वर्क, ओके। एंड टेक योर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, डोंट ट्राई टू फाइंड दिस वन पर्सन हु इज़ एनर्जेटिकली इनसेंट एंड पोटेंट, तो उसके ऊपर हम ब्लेम डाल सकें। उससे आपको कुछ आप हिस्ट्री बुक्स में नहीं जाओगे, और हिस्ट्री बुक्स जिन्होंने भी लिखी है ना, उनका पूरा चिट्ठा खुल रहा है, ओके। दे आर ऑल, इट इज़ ऑल कमिंग आउट, देयर इज़ नो अदर वे, इट्स चेंज इज़ द ओनली कॉन्स्टेंट, so now it's changing,